Hello, second graders. Let's go for a walk today. I wish we could be together and actually go for a walk. But until then, we're going to take a walk with a line. So today, you're going to need one piece of the thick construction paper that I sent home with you and a black marker. Would you please grab those things, push pause on the video, and then come back and unpause when you're ready. All right, so we're going to take a walk today, and our walk is going to be with a line. Our walk is going to go over, down, over, down, over, down, over, down, over, down, over, down, and we're going to walk through the whole paper. But the difference is that our walk is going to change as we go. So I'm going to start my walk with a curvy line. So we're all starting up here at the top left corner of our paper, and we're going to the right. And you can do a curvy line, or you can do a line that you like. So I'm curving my line around, and now I'm going to change it to be almost like a city. So I'm going to do these little rectangles that go up and down and up and down, and I'm just moving across. Now mine's going to change, and I think I'm going to create some hills with it. Oh, yeah. So from here, I'm going to do some zigzags, and my zigzags are going to bring me down a bit, and now I'm going to walk my line this direction. Okay, so my line is going to go in loops now. It's going to go all the way over. It's almost like the number 8. Okay, so now that I'm over here, I'm going to change yet again. So this time I'm going to do some sort of like a zigzag, but it's going to make me feel more like triangles. All right, from this point, I'm going to walk down and backwards. So I'm going to do a straight line down, and then you know what? I'm going to do a line like that, and now I'm going to change, and I'm going to do my line wants to go wherever it wants to go. So I'm over here. Now I'm going to come down and I'm going to go back over. That part kind of reminds me of ocean waves. Some of mine even look like letters. This reminds me of the letter F, and this one reminds me of the letter T. I did not mean to do that at all. I really like this. Okay, my line is now here. It's going to come down just a little bit and back over. So I'm going to do those were kind of like circles. Oh, I wonder if I could do, oh my goodness, I haven't done this line in a while, where it's like a heart, and then you go this way, and then you go that way, and a heart this way, and a heart that way. Oh, I could have done that for longer. Oh, wiggle it around. Okay. Let me think. What else can I do? I really want. I want to wiggle. I like that. All right. So now. Sometimes you can even incorporate numbers. So like, let's say I want to do the number 3, and then I want to do the number 3 this way, and I want to keep going. See how that turns into a line, even though it's just because I'm not picking up my marker. I'm doing a 3 and then another 3. It's just all very peculiar and fun. As long as you don't pick up your pen or your marker, and you just keep going if you do pick it up, because obviously I'm stopping. But I just really enjoy that. All right. So my walk is now finished. And now comes the fun part. So if you have watercolor paint at your house, you can absolutely use that. If you don't, you can absolutely use markers. The cool part about markers is if they're washable, you can almost use them like watercolors. Let me show you how. So we're going to need a paintbrush that's kind of little and some water. And we're going to start right here on this top corner. And I'm going to just get my paper a little bit wet to start with. And now I'm going to put that down and I'm going to grab my marker. And what you're going to notice, what you should notice, if it's a washable marker, you should see that it bleeds a little bit. And I'm not sure that this type right here is washable because it doesn't say washable. But if you just wet down the edges, you'll be able to tell. Yeah, mine is not. Okay, so I'm going to grab some watercolor. And again, you can start coloring this with whatever you have at home. If you have crayon, you can do crayon. If you have paint, you can do paint. It's whatever you want. If you have colored pencil. But we're going to stay right now on one side of this line. And what's going to happen is as my journey continues, I am going to keep on one side of my line. So as I continue, oh, that's kind of like a green sky. I wonder if it's like sewage treatment plant. I think I've seen that in some cartoons. Where it's like, oh, the green tentacles are filling the sky. I'm just so silly, you guys. When I create art, I just like to let my imagination run wild. So, as you continue, you're going to stay on this side. It's going to go into this channel and back out. It's going to go into this channel and back out. And it's going to go into this channel and into this channel. And the rest of the space, this one and this one, this is all going to stay white. So, happy coloring. I hope you enjoyed this project. I love it.